Hello, my name's Eric Manny. This is an unboxing video for a True Radius tubing bender, aka Mr. Bender Bending Rodriguez, an Anvil Bikes tube bender. I was very much looking forward to this. It cost $874. I did not have the money, but I need to build some bike racks and I needed a tubing bender, so I think I basically spent like half my rent money on this, which I'm happy about. So $874, I paid PayPal. Don Ferris was awesome to deal with. Got here from Colorado to California in maybe 3 days. And here's the unboxing that I'm looking forward to. I haven't seen this yet. I didn't cheat and open the box first. It has my invoice, $24 shipping, and then it's got wood in the bottom. That's awesome. Here's the unit. I was able to choose, I'm looking at my notes over here on the computer. I was able to choose one die and roller in one size and radius. And I chose 5/8 inch tubing, 5.375 inch radius. That's the smallest diameter tubing that you can bend and the smallest radius there is. So let's see what's in the box. This is probably my die and roller. It says on the website here, additional size mandrels, rollers, and/or guide channel combinations for the bender range from $200 to $250 each. And the tube size that you can bend is 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, or 7/8 of an inch. And the size radii you can choose from are 5 3/8, 7 3/8, 9 3/8, or 11 3/8 radii. So this is well packaged stuff. Don Ferris definitely knows what he's doing. I'm looking forward to buying many of his fixtures. I bought one of his dummy axles and it worked out great. This is, it's either a die or a roller or a mandrel, or it's a guide channel. They do beautiful work. These guys are good machinists. So that appears to be a 5/8 inch guide channel. And then I'm saving the best for last. There's a huge cable tie in here. Very well packaged. So there's nothing more in the box. Good job packing it, Don. Let's see what I have here. I've had a tube bender before, but it was a very cheap Harbor Freight tube bender, and I was bending like 1.5 inch muffler tubing, and that Harbor Freight tube bender was not even serviceable. I think I gave it away. I will not be giving away this. This is probably the handle. Let's check it out. There's the handle. Orange, like a lot of Anvil bike stuff. Looks to be pretty sturdy. Feels to be steel. Here's a magnet. This is steel. This is steel. So the guide channel is steel. So far everything is steel. He mentioned that he was getting a part anodized. That must be this part, which must be the Mr. Bender Bending Rodriguez. True Radius Tubing Bender, aka Mr. Bender Bending Rodriguez. Oh, it's beautiful. These guys make beautiful tools. Here's some kind of a cotter pin. I'm really happy about the fact that they packaged it well. They must know that UPS can be a rough ride. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. 5/8 by 5.375 radius. So it looks like I'm going to be mounting this to something. So I'll carefully cut these parts off. It's on a lanyard. Here's some shrink wrap. Wow, they really make beautiful stuff. Man, this looks like the same fitting that's on the dummy axle. Here's my dummy axle. It's like 192 millimeters. And yep, that's the same part, the same bolt and washer, for lack of a better word, that they use on the dummy axle. So that's cool. Get all this packaging off. My tubing isn't getting here until tomorrow. All right, just throw all the packaging aside. Just throwing stuff on the ground here. So let's get a better look at this. There it is. And I imagine that the instructions are online. So too bad I don't have any tubing to bend. So I haven't looked at the instructions yet, but I can see that this goes in here. This handle has threaded holes on either side. It looks like you can choose how far you want to put this in here. Gosh, this thing couldn't be any nicer. The craftsmanship is amazing. So I'll tighten that handle on there later, and there's not much else I can do here until I get my tubing. Ready to bend some tubes. That's a really nice action. So let's see what this stuff's made out of. We already said the handle is steel. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. And this is obviously anodized aluminum. And that is aluminum. So I'm going to take some close-up videos of the radii here. Here's a close-up picture of it. You see this is for 5/8 inch tubing with a 5.375 inch radius. And it looks like that's where you put the lever for different size radii. You would remove this top, let's see what that's called. A roller, a die and roller. And here it is with the lever the other way. So I'll make another video of when I'm bending some tubes with it. Thanks for watching.